We build and manage your business, done for you, 100% hands off to you, and without charging any retainer fees to you ever. Does that make sense? Let me break it for you. You are looking to build a passive income for you and are under the impression that starting a side gig which works independently and automatically is sufficient for you, but actually you get surprises in the middle of the process when you end up either spending a lot of money and resources to build your passive income, or you get busted in the middle of the process. There is another side of the picture which portrays that even to build a side or passive income, you really need to work hard, you need to build your team, you need to build your business, you need to build your resources so you can actually enjoy a business which keeps on generating the cash flow month on month basis. And that's a place where we come into the picture. We not only help you to launch your business, but we bring our award-winning team, resources, strategies and planning and work in your business for you and make it grow exponentially so you can actually enjoy the freedom and a continuous passive income month on month while having a fully committed team working in your business for you. And the best part is, unlike all other outsourcing resources, marketing agencies, or online gurus or ad agencies who talk about or brag about making your business grow at the cost of charging you a heavy amount of retainer fees and walk away with your hard-earned money. We actually put our skin into the game and don't charge you a penny until your business grows. We take care of the entire business for you, be it your operations, your management, your strategies, your planning, your HR, your resources, your human resources, your suppliers, your contractors, and that is without any financial obligation to you. We only make money when you make money. So you can actually build your multi-streams revenue portfolio and see your business growing. So if you believe that the best way to build your business portfolio and passive income is to work on your business, not in your business, and need me and my wonderful team to help you grow your business, then click on the link below the description of this video and jump on a free strategy call and explore the options to work together and build a big business empire.